Happy Friday night. I feel like I've been away from Avon forever. So I'm actually getting ready for online school, and I've been moving around all my furniture, switching up rooms, creating a new area for my Avon stuff. So I've been a little busy, but I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, a couple of amazing things happening with Avon this week. So for those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep, and all my information's below. And actually on the 28th of August, the Avon Visionaries big conference for 2020 is going to happen. And this year it's going to be virtual online because of everything going on with the pandemic. I did sign up, and I am getting a swag bag, which I can't wait to get. And I also ordered a ton of Avon merch. So I'm going to be doing a couple of fun, giveaways on my Facebook page. So definitely join my Facebook page. I cannot wait for all this stuff to get here. So I'm not sure when it's getting here, but hopefully soon. But today I actually got my campaign 19 order. I didn't get a ton of stuff, but maybe I did. But I can't wait to show you what's in this box. So the first thing I have to show you guys is, oh my gosh, check out what's in the, I love this boxes. So this is my Elastine Propolythera. This is Korean Beauty hair care. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am like so on board with this hair care more than anything I've ever used before. I started off with the conditioner, and it's got a really floral scent. And you know me, I'm not a big floral fan, but this has grown on me. I'm now addicted to this scent. It smells so good to me now. I don't know, it just, my brain clicked and I love it. This is actually a little bit thinner. This is the volumizing shampoo. It's a little bit thinner than normal shampoo, so I'm kind of curious to see how this works. I have not yet used the Propolythera shampoo, but I have been using the conditioner and the hair mask now for a couple weeks. I feel like my hair is really nicely conditioned because if you ever saw my hair before I started using the shampoo, it looked a little like, you can see even in the back. When my hair, if there's any humidity in the air, my hair gets like really out of control fuzzy. But I've noticed if I use the hair serum from the Propoly line, it just calms down. And I didn't use it today because I've been busy moving furniture. But my hair has been in really good shape, so I'm super happy with this shampoo. Those are $15. I'll put the link below to that one. I also got, speaking of hair serum, I did get the Elastine perfumed hair serum. I had the purple one, and now I just got the, which one is this? I don't even know which one this is. These are so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. So this is coming, I think, in campaign 20. Look at the bottle it comes in. This is part of the whole iconic thing that Avon is doing. And this one is tuberose and pink pepper. I'm really curious to see what this smells like. These are so pretty, and I think this would make like an awesome gift. I did get one of the other products that's coming. I actually have it sitting back here. I need to review this one for you guys. This is actually the body gel. Look at how beautiful this jar is. This is also coming in campaign 20 if you missed my last haul. This is amazing though. I mean, this would be such a nice gift. So anyway, this is what the hair serum looks like. I'm just gonna take this off here. Oh, this is kind of rosy. These are definitely floral. So I got some on my finger here. I'm just gonna rub it into my hands. I haven't done my hair serum here today, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on. Oh yeah, much better. Look at that. I mean, I swear, instantly, it just brings a lot of shine to my hair. I feel like it's just like absorbs it, and then even that fuzzy spot back here is kind of tame now. So I love these. I'm so happy I got that. They are on the pricey side. This is $35, but if you're a rep, you're going to get a discount, a little sparkle to it, and you know this is going to last a while. I think you don't need a lot. So super happy with this line. What else did I get? Oh, I did get the samples of the, it's called Mission Luxerve, I think. This is like the $300 face cream. I gotta try this. I'm like, $350 for a face cream? I don't know. I got the sample. I'm gonna try it. See what it's like. I also got, I did get these. I wanted to try these as a daily shampoo. They have new Elastin Botanicals. They've got the Cherry Blossom Moisturizing Conditioner. I got this for my mom. She loves Cherry Blossom. I'm not so much a fan of Cherry Blossom. It's okay. But I got the Rosemary and Sea Salt Shampoo. I thought I'd try it. Oh, that smells good. This is very natural. So that's actually kind of nice. So I wanted to try these out just to see what they're like. I also got, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. We are getting new Glimmer Shadows. I love the Glimmer Shadow. This is like now my go-to eyeshadow. I actually put some on this morning. And it's actually, it's good holding power. Look at that. And I've been running around. I've been like, you know, doing hard labor here all day. And, you know, it's holding up nicely. I got my mom. We both wanted Tiger Eye. So I actually got my mom a Tiger Eye, and I got me one. Is this the Tiger Eye? Yes, this is the Tiger Eye. They're all in these really pretty shades for fall. Look at this. I love a good, I don't know if you can see that with my lights. I love a good bronze eyeshadow. Absolutely love it. And these have like a satin finish, I think. I am so excited about these Glimmer Shadows. I also got the, what did I get? The Moonstone one. They had like a pink one, but it was sold out. It's not, or it's not sold out. I think it's not like there yet. Check out this one. This is kind of like a lighter version of the Tiger Eye. It's a little bit like, I don't know. It's like a silverish, super pretty. Oh my gosh. So I'm super happy about these. I want to get the whole collection of these. I'll review these, but I'm super happy to get my hands on those. I also got one of the, what is this? This is some sort of lip gloss. It's a flat two-tone lipstick brown effect. This is all Korean. I love the Korean beauty, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am so impressed with this line. All the Korean beauty stuff, that's what the hair, the Elastin is. It's just really nice quality. You know what? I'm going to have a hard time getting this off. I'm not going to fool with this one right now. I'll review this. I cannot get the paper off. I did get, how cute were these? Campaign 20, you guys. I'm going to do a video soon. They're having, Avon is having a huge goodbyes sale. There's going to be so much stuff, and I want it all. One of the things that I picked up as a rep, look at this little tartan bag. It's a mirror. How cute is that? I love tartan. It reminds me of Harry Potter. But, oh my gosh, let me pull this out here. This is so pretty. Look at this, like, compact mirror. Is this not gorgeous or what? You press the button, and it's got, like, a mirrors inside. I always like a nice compact, and I really like that it comes with a little carrying case. How cute is that? I think those were, like, $5 or something. I actually got 2 of those. So I did get those. Oh, I got one of the, new Studio 1866 masks. Now, I usually use, Avon has got the paper masks in the box of 50. I like those because I am a huge fan of disposable masks because I just like to put it on, throw it out. I'm not a huge fan of having to wash the masks, but I just wanted to try these. These are actually kind of nice. See how they fit. So, these are actually cute. I like this one a little bit better than, this has got the nose, the metal of the nose. These are a little bit cuter than the other ones. You know what I like about these? I like the material. This is more cottony. So I might get another one of these. These are actually kind of cute. Because the only thing I don't like about like the paper mask, I wear those into the store now, but they're not super fashionable. Like, not that it matters or anything, but this is kind of cute. I would wear this out. I think they had them in 2 patterns and then 2 solid colors, so that's really cute. I also got, check it out, this is the Studio 1886 This is a tunic, like a shirt. I'm super excited. I like Avon's clothes. I really do. I feel like they make clothes for tall people, which I am. So check this out. This is so cute. This looks like something I would actually have worn like back in the 80s or something. I think this is going to look really cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's long sleeve, kind of like sweater material. I think this is like 24. I feel like Avon's clothes do tend to run a little large though. I'm 5 foot. Well, I used to be 5'11". Now I'm like 5'10". I think I'm shrinking. And I used to wear like an 8'10". Sometimes I wear like a little bit more of a 12. But I tend to get the medium in the Avon clothes, and it usually fits pretty good. So that's pretty awesome. I also got, oh, check it out. I got some Campaign 21 catalogs. This is going to show us the new Glimmer shadows. I got to show you guys this. So pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love this for fall. This is like, I feel like this is like my colors for fall. So that's exciting. We're getting a new A box too. I gotta show you that. Oh, we also have, you know what else is new, you guys? I've never heard of Dr. Groot. I think this is Korean beauty. I've never used this. I'm pretty happy with the elastine, so I don't know if I'm going to actually get this, but if you've heard of Dr. Groot, I don't know. Maybe it's really good. I just don't know. It probably is, because it's a Korean beauty. I did get Amari. This is on sale. I was like, I love collecting the perfume. And I don't think I've smelled Amari in a really long time, so I wanted to get one of these. As long as I don't spray it right on myself here. Oh, that smells good, you guys. You know what this reminds me of? Bath & Body Works Into the Night. I mean, like, wow. That's pretty close, you guys. It smells almost exactly like Bath & Body Works Into the Night. How funny is that? I'll have to do a comparison, because you all know me. I got in my other channel, I do a lot of the Bath & Body Works stuff. That's really interesting. Wow. That smells good, though. I also got, I just got my catalogs over here, I think. Check it out. My Royal Black Bee toothpaste. This is Honey Mint. I buy all my toothbrushes and all my toothpaste now from, I thought I got a toothbrush. I wonder if those are on back order. I don't see my toothbrush in here. Sometimes if you get a popular item, it gets back ordered. My mom might have ordered one too. I can't remember. I gotta save the box because I'm gonna review this. I need to review the toothpaste. I love all of the toothpaste. It's a South Korean brand called Perio. So I don't know if you can see that. I love, you know what? Like I said, being a Harry Potter fan, I swear this looks like something that you'd find at Hogwarts. Can't you just picture like one of those awesome Hogwarts bathrooms with the toothpaste? Whoa! I think my lid just rolled away. What the heck? I don't know. But anyway, let me see what this looks like. Oh, that smells good. That actually does smell really good. Okay, so this is Honey Mint. Oh my gosh, where did my lid go? I want to put the lid back on. I lost my lid. That's okay. I'll find it. I'll put this on my desk. I'm so disorganized today, you guys. I feel like I'm just like all over the place because of all the... I've literally been moving furniture since like 10 o'clock last night. I started late last night. What do we have? Oh, the iconic mini lip color. This was a little bit pricey. I don't know if you're not a rep. So this is $30, and you got 3 mini lipsticks, but that's kind of high for 3. I love this iconic stuff, the box and everything. Let me see what these look like. I mean, I think these weren't a bad deal for a rep because I got the discount, but they're tiny. Look at that. Look at how cute they are. Oh, look how pretty. That is so pretty. I'll review this set. Like I said, I think this is 30, but that does seem a little bit pricey for 3 tiny lipsticks. What shades do we get? I don't know if these are iconic shades or not. I'll have to find out. I gotta know a little bit more about that. It's pretty though. It's cute. And then, oh, I also got one of these were only $1.99. I got one of the Veilment moisturizing bar soaps. One thing I love about Avon is they have all the essentials. They have the dish soap. They have the Cucina, the wipes. And this is actually more what I would consider just like a standard bar of soap. Oh, that smells good. It's like very plain. I would say it's almost like unscented. It's a moisturizing bar soap with creamy coconut. I like that. It's just like a regular bar of soap. I think these were $1.99, like I said. That's really cool that, they just have, standard soap. So anyway, I also got what is this? Campaign 21. Got a little catalog in here. I'll have to see what kind of stuff. This is usually like the sale stuff. I'll have to see what's in here. Ooh, pretty. Oh my gosh, I like this. Wait, I gotta show you guys this. Look at this ring. That ring is gorgeous. I like that necklace too. I like purple. So anyway, that is my campaign 19 haul. If you're interested in anything or if you have any questions, all my links are below. And then of course you can purchase anything with my e-store link. Shipping is free on $60. I also, if you join my mailing list through Avon, like go to the page and then put your email in, I can then send you coupons. So this month we got some really good coupons. With a $60 order, you get a free A-Box. And the other coupon is you get a free mini bottle of the Bud Guard. So definitely sign up because then you can get all the email coupons that I send out, which are really good. So anyway, I think I have to organize all my stuff here because my desk is a mess. But anyway, I'll have lots of stuff coming. Like I said, I stopped my reviews for a couple days because I was trying to get everything situated with online school and, my new office. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be back soon. Bye-bye.